I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox animations in Blender. First, download and install Blender, a powerful, free, and open-source three-dimensional creation suite. Next, ensure you have the most recent version of the Roblox Rig Importer plugin installed and enabled within Blender's preferences. This crucial step prepares your environment for seamless character import. Finally, open Blender and set up your workspace, perhaps by splitting the view into a three-dimensional viewport and a timeline, ready for your creative animation journey. Now, let's bring your Roblox character into Blender. Begin by exporting your desired avatar or character model directly from Roblox Studio as an FBX file. This standard format ensures compatibility. Then, within Blender, use the specialized Roblox Rig Importer plugin to bring that FBX file into your scene. After importing, it's vital to carefully verify that the character's rig is correctly set up, ensuring all bones are properly weighted and ready for smooth, natural movement. This foundational step is key to successful animation. With your character rigged, it's time for the fun part, animating. Utilize Blender's robust animation tools, like setting keyframes on the timeline and adjusting poses in the three-dimensional viewport. The dope sheet provides an excellent overview of your keyframes, allowing for easy timing adjustments. Focus on creating compelling poses and establishing clear timing to achieve either realistic or stylized actions. For precise control, dive into the graph editor to refine your animation curves, ensuring smooth transitions and impactful movements. Aim for about 24 frames per second for standard animation. Finally, let's get your amazing animation into Roblox Studio. Export your completed animation from Blender as an FBX file. When exporting, make sure to select only the animation data, not the entire character model, to keep file sizes small and efficient. Once exported, open Roblox Studio and use its built-in animation editor to import your FBX animation. After importing, thoroughly test your animation within the Roblox environment to confirm it plays correctly and looks exactly as you intended on your character. This final check ensures a polished result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.